It's 720 West Lackawanna Ave, your first floor apartment. Off-street parking in the back. You have your little rear porch for yourself and a front porch too. This walks into the kitchen. Plenty of counter space. Cabinets. Pantries there. Pantries up there. Washer dryer, electric dryer hookup. Coat hooks. That's pork chop. Is that pork chop? Nice woodwork. Basement that goes downstairs, only for you. Only for the tenants in the building. Nice front porch. This is only for this apartment. Actually, this door goes upstairs. That goes into the master closet. You have 3 exits in this apartment. Go to mailboxes. Walk-in closet. Big living room, fit any couch configuration. And a gas fireplace. You have to light it down there with the controls. The gas on and off is in the back as well. If you either want to shut it off if you don't like it. But you have electric heat and you have gas steam heat. That's just nice for the holidays to have that on. So you have your choice of heating, electric or gas. This is a town of Blakely, so you want gas to be used here. Electric could be high. I should get some kind of incentive. Nice big bedroom you can fit any furniture in here. King size bed, walk-in closet. And this is that other doorway that goes to the front porch. You approve pork chop? That's right. All right, if you're interested, go to the website, parasoleproperties.com. That's P-A-R-A-S-O-L-E, properties, plural, I-E-S.com. Submit an application on the homepage, and we'll be in touch by next business day with further instructions on how to get into this property.